In this problem, we are given an array piles that represents piles of bananas and an integer h which indicates the number of hours available before the guards return. The task is to determine the minimum integer k, which represents the speed at which a monkey can eat bananas so that all the bananas can be eaten within h hours. Every hour, the monkey can choose any pile of bananas and eat exactly k bananas from that pile. If a pile has fewer than k bananas, the monkey eats all the remaining bananas in that pile and no more bananas are eaten during that hour. The goal is to find the smallest possible k that allows all bananas to be eaten within the given number of hours. To solve this problem, we rely on a binary search, a highly efficient algorithm that is particularly useful when dealing with problems where a solution can be narrowed down within a range. Binary search works by repeatedly dividing the search range in half, which significantly reduces the number of comparisons and operations needed to find the correct answer. We define a helper function canEatAll that takes the rate k as an argument. This function calculates the total number of hours required to eat all the bananas in the piles array at the given speed k. If the calculated hours are less than or equal to h, the function returns true, indicating that it is possible to eat all the bananas within the given time at that speed. Otherwise, it returns false. This function is crucial because it allows us to efficiently adjust the search range during the binary search process. By evaluating whether a given speed k is sufficient, we can decide whether to search in a smaller or larger part of the current range, thereby homing in on the minimum possible values of k. To implement the binary search, we first need to set the initial boundaries of our search range. The lower bound left is set to 1, as the minimum speed at which the monkey can eat bananas is 1 banana per hour. The upper bound right is set to the maximum value in the piles array, which represents the worst-case scenario where the monkey needs to eat an entire pile of bananas in just 1 hour. This gives us a starting range of possible values for k. During the binary search, we repeatedly calculate the middle value mid of the current range and use the canEatAll function to check whether the monkey can eat all the bananas at this speed. If canEatAll of mid returns true, it means that the monkey can eat all the bananas at the speed mid, and we might be able to find a smaller, more optimal speed. Therefore, we adjust the upper bound right to mid to explore the lower half of the range. If canEatAll of mid returns false, it indicates that the speed mid is insufficient, so we increase the lower bound left to mid plus 1 to explore the higher half of the range. To calculate the number of hours required to eat all the bananas in a particular pile at the rate k, we use the expression pile plus k minus 1 all divided by k. This expression efficiently computes the ceiling of the division pile divided by k, which gives us the number of hours required to eat all bananas in that pile at the given speed. While the C++ CMAT library provides a ceil function for this purpose, the expression pile plus k minus 1 all divided by k is a mathematical shortcut that achieves the same result without needing to include an additional library. This method works by adding k minus 1 to the pile before performing integer division, effectively rounding up the result whenever there is a remainder. The binary search continues until left is equal to right, at which point the search concludes. At this stage, left contains the minimum value of k that allows all the bananas to be consumed within the given h hours. In conclusion, the algorithm efficiently combines binary search with a helper function to determine the minimum eating speed k that allows all bananas in the piles to be consumed within the available time h. By systematically narrowing down the possible values of k, the algorithm ensures that we find the optimal solution with minimal computational effort. This approach is not only efficient but also robust, as it effectively handles a wide range of input scenarios and ensures that the solution is both correct and performant. Now, it's time to test the code thoroughly to ensure it works correctly across various scenarios, including edge cases. This will confirm that the algorithm efficiently finds the minimum speed k needed to consume all bananas within the given hours.